We just checked in our baggage here at Naha Airport in Okinawa, our 5-day over. So we're going back, trying back to Haneda. Haneda man tayo may, no? Ganda, oh. So this is Naha Airport, malaki din. It's a regional airport, no? But sobrang laki. We're going gate 22. Grabe, no? Regional airport, mas malaki pa kaysa na NAIA natin. Yung flight namin yung 9:55, oh. Kanina. Ang ganda ng, no? Upuan, no? Upholstered. Tapos made of ano to? Hardwood pa yan. Gate 22. We're flying the Japan Airlines. Maganda Japan Airlines when you book yung ticket, no, from Manila to Haneda. Parang they gave us yung offer, no, almost free yung round trip to Okinawa. One way to siguro encourage passengers, no, to take yung mga less known destinations. So this is our boarding gate, gate 22. Dito kami. Oh, yun, lawak, oh. This is gate 22. Uy, priority seat. Priority.